Welcome to Simply Excel. In this video I'm going to show you how to press enter within a cell and move to the next line rather than moving out of that cell into the cell below. This is really simple to do. All you need to do is type your first line of text and then hold down the Alt key and press enter at the same time. You'll see that's moved me down onto the second row. And I can do this as many times as I need to within my cell. I can also insert blank lines. And then when I press enter without holding down the Alt key, I do move into the next cell and you'll see that's automatically expanded my row so you can see every line of text I've put in there. You could also do this retrospectively, so if you've already got data in your cell which you want to move onto multiple lines, you can simply click within the text and do the Alt and Enter to split your lines of text up, and then enter without the Alt, and you'll see how it's formatted your cell. I hope you found this quick video useful. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching.